Hey guys, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and yummy apple and cinnamon cake recipe. For this recipe you will need 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Three-fourth cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of flour or maida, half teaspoon each of salt and baking powder and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, baking soda and half cup of apple filling. You'll also need some vinegar and 2 eggs. Take the butter and oil in a mixing bowl. Mix till both are combined and add the powdered sugar to it. Once this is completely mixed and smooth, add both the eggs one at a time. Whisking in between till no lumps remain. Now keep this mixture aside. On a butter paper, sieve all the dry ingredients except the baking soda. This helps to remove any lumps and combine the mixture smoothly. Now add the dry ingredients except the baking soda to the wet mixture. And whisk till you get a smooth batter. Now add the apple filling to the batter and mix again. Do check out the apple filling recipe that I've posted on my channel. I've shared the link in the description box below. Now it's time for the magic element of the recipe. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use any other vinegar that is available. Add this mixture to the batter soon after it bubbles up. After adding this, it is important that you fold the batter very gently. Cover the base and the sides of a cake tin with oil and stick butter paper to it. Fill the tin with the cake batter till it's half full, leaving enough space for the cake to rise properly and evenly. Flatten the top of the cake and tap to remove any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Once it's completely baked, remove it on a wire rack and let it cool completely. After it's completely cooled, remove the cake from the tin, remove the butter paper and remove any crumbs attached to the cake. Sprinkle the cake with some icing sugar and there it is, your apple cinnamon cake is ready to eat. The cake stores well outside for up to a week, in the fridge up to 2 weeks. You can remove the pieces of the cake from the fridge and microwave it for a delicious experience. I just love the texture of this cake. Look how spongy it is, and oh my god, the aroma of the apple and cinnamon is all over my house and the kitchen. Wow, just amazing. I also baked the leftover batter in a teacup. I hope you liked the recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it works out for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my quirky kitchen and this amazing recipe. Press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to my quirky kitchen. Until next time, bye bye.